Alright, so hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to treat our lips well. And we're going to use the LipSmooth Smooth Lips. So why is it important to keep our lips looking good? Well, part of it is because of the application of the LipSmooth product. You want your lips to be soft, you want them to be well hydrated, and you want them to look well taken care of. Our lips actually indicate a lot about what's going on inside of our body. And so they're the first things to dry out when we get dehydrated. Drink lots of water. So the LipSmooth, it has two of my favorite things in it. It has shea butter and coconut oil in it. And I like it because it's a non-abrasive exfoliant. So we're going to squeeze a little bit out here so you can see what it looks like. So there we are. You can see it. It's very fine. We're going to take just a little bit of it. We're going to use our ring finger and our middle finger for the application of it. Because these two fingers are not as strong as our pointer finger, we don't want to stretch the skin around the lips. I'm just going to add it. And then we're going to come around the lip. Little circles, little soft circles. We're not like digging into the lips or anything like that. A little bit goes a really long way as well. What I suppose that was way too much. It smells really good. We're going to go up above the lip line. This is going to allow us to get that area that gets kind of scaly when we're lining our lips. And all of this is considered lip. Little circles. Okay. So when we wear conventional lip color, a lot of it's got wax and all kinds of gunk in it. And it can build up on the lips, but it also will dehydrate them as well. So it's really important that we keep, just like the skin on our face, we want to make sure that we're taking care of our lips well. Especially if you spend a lot of time outside. I gardened this weekend and I let my lips get a little bit dehydrated, so they're a little scaly. So we're just going to go around and clean that off. And then it's really important once you do take off the LipSmooth to pat dry the skin area. No rubbing or tugging. Again, we don't want to stretch the skin out. We want to make it plump and pretty. So when you're done polishing, you want to re-moisturize the lip, and you can either use the moisturizing lip balm, okay, or you could use your Senegence Glossy Gloss. And I like the Glossy Gloss because it has, again, my favorite stuff: shea butter, coconut oil, all these things that make my lips well hydrated. I'm going to get some gloss there. And one of the things that I like about the Glossy Gloss is that it's specially formulated for deep penetration into the lips to help keep them hydrated. And we're just going to go around. And I'll do that again probably another 2 or 3 times today, just to make sure that I take real good care of my lips after having been outside this weekend.